Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about one of the most popular electric bikes on the market right now, the ENGWE M20. We'll take a deep look at its design, performance, engine details, features, price, and its position in the global market. So stay with me until the end of the video to get all the details. Exterior design. The ENGWE M20 stands out with its unique and aggressive design. It has a motorcycle-inspired look that makes it really eye-catching on both city streets and off-road paths. The solid and stylish aluminum alloy frame not only looks good, but also provides durability and lightweight performance. One of its most noticeable features is the dual front headlights, which give it a retro-modern vibe while ensuring excellent night visibility. The fat 20-inch tires add to its bold look and offer extra grip on all kinds of surfaces. The wide and comfortable saddle makes long rides more enjoyable, while the overall design gives it a sporty yet practical appearance. Interior and comfort. The ENGWE M20 keeps things minimal and functional on the handlebar. It comes with an LCD display that shows important information such as battery level, speed, distance, and riding mode. The seat is designed for comfort, using soft materials suitable for long rides. Footrests and ergonomic grips are designed to provide a comfortable and safe riding experience. Performance and motor specifications. When it comes to performance, the ENGWE M20 doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a powerful electric motor with a nominal power of 750 watts and a peak power of up to 1000 watts. Thanks to this engine, the bike can easily handle both city rides and off-road adventures. The maximum speed of the ENGWE M20 is around 45 to 50 km per hour, depending on the riding conditions. As for battery options, with a single battery, it can travel up to 55 to 60 kilometers. With dual batteries, you can go beyond 100 kilometers on a single charge. Both batteries are removable and take around 5 to 6 hours to fully charge. Other features and technologies. 20-inch fat anti-slip tires, front and rear disc brake system, multiple riding modes, pedal assist, full electric, manual, front and rear suspension for extra comfort, water and dust resistant design, powerful LED headlights, LCD display screen, can carry loads up to 150 kilograms, option to attach a front basket or other accessories. Price and position in the global market. Currently, the ENGWE M20 is one of the most popular e-bikes, especially in European and Asian markets. When compared to other electric bikes in the same category, it offers a very competitive price. As of early 2025, the price of the ENGWE M20 is around $1,000 to $1,500, depending on the country, seller, and optional accessories. Its affordable price combined with its solid features makes it a favorite choice among daily commuters and adventure lovers worldwide. Alright friends, that's everything you need to know about the ENGWE M20 electric bike. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Take care and ride safe.